What is going on YouTube? Hit it back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we're going to be looking at Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as XRP to US dollar. We're also going to be looking at the current coin market cap, as well as a few exchanges that could be benefiting you in regards to capitalizing off the next big run within cryptocurrency. So before I pretty much get started, a quick recap of the market. As you guys know, the market for XRP and the crypto space has been going absolutely haywire in regards to pretty much toying with us and teasing us into which direction we're going to be moving to. The market shows and starts to look like we're going to break bullish, then it looks like we're going to break bearish, then it looks like we're going to just trade sideways. Where exactly is the market going? Well, I think that today actually is showing signs of where the market could be moving to, or at least giving us a better adjustment and analysis as to where the market is going to head to. Now, otherwise, if you guys are new to the channel, definitely make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a giant thumbs up as this does help support the YouTube algorithm. Make sure to follow me on Twitter, CryptoVOfficial. This way, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can DM me over there. Otherwise, let's jump right into today's episode. Alright guys, as you can see, we are on my current YouTube channel. Yesterday we said final moments for XRP Ripple. You can see it right here. Final moments, what is going on, what's going to happen, where are we moving to? So actually, let me move that. That shouldn't have happened. So in today's episode specifically, we're going to be looking at a few things. Not only are we looking at the current coin market cap, which is pretty much consolidating lower, we're also going to look at some very interesting key points that the market has actually moved to today. Now, before I jump into the video, I do want to give another shout out that we are doing a Dudex $200 USDT trading bonus giveaway. The link is in the description down below. You got to be in it to win it. 13 days left. Less than 2 weeks to enter the giveaway, up to 7 different ways to enter. We've had over 600 people already enter the giveaway, so definitely make sure you are one of them. It is completely free to enter. The link is in the description down below. Make sure to check it out. Now, to jump right into today's episode, I actually want to start with the S&P 500. I think this is huge, and I'm fairly pumped with this, and I do believe this is going to trigger a lot of different things within the market. I know it's rumor, I know it's conspiracy, but just hear me out. As you guys know, for those of you that are new to the channel, as you guys know, the S&P 500 has had a massive correction in the past. This was because of COVID. This was because of all the crazy stuff happening. COVID first came out, I'd say around the end of, I'd say March or December. And then all of February and March, we saw this massive correction, a massive drop in price, down about 35%, probably one of the biggest drops in history that we've seen in a very long time, especially at how quickly it corrected. Now, what was extremely interesting was February and March of cryptocurrency. So the same thing. This is February and this is March. Very interesting. We see the same massive nosedive in price the same time the S&P 500 starts to dip. What does that mean? That means we have to be paying very close attention to the S&P 500. Now check this out. The past couple of days, we've seen some very interesting things with the S&P 500, the way it's been trading right at its current high resistance. What do I mean by high resistance? This is the past 11 years of the currency since the 08-09 bear market, housing market crash, everything like that. That pretty much signaled a beautiful uptrend for the past 11 years that we've been trading in beautifully. Now, every single time to date that we have retested this white resistance up here, we correct lower and we break bearish. So who's to say that this time, even though the last 6 times have corrected bearish, we're going to break bullish? The likelihood of this happening is very slim. We also have a bearish divergence forming as well, where the RSI is dipping lower as the price heads higher. And the fact that we're now trading on resistance right here gives me the benefit of the doubt. We're probably going to see a major rejection and correct lower. Now, there's 23 days left in this monthly candle for the S&P 500. So there is a very big likelihood we are going to correct lower. Now, what does that mean for cryptocurrency? Why am I even bringing it up? So here's what happens. Every time that's happened in the past, in March, and you can see this is right here, February, and then March. has shown a significant drop in price due to that S&P 500 correction, due to the U.S. economy's correction. Now, what's interesting is we actually got rejected from resistance. We said the past 2 days, is this prime time to be buying into XRP, trading this for a long, leverage it for a long position? I said no. I said, let's wait. This was a great sign that we broke bullish outside of the descending fractal that was forming. But we said, even though we broke above the resistance here, we need a good confirmation. The price has to break above this uptrend and close above here for me to be fully conservative and fully buy into the market. Now, the past 3 days and yesterday proved to us that it's not happening. It's not coming. There's a very good chance we're going to see that rejection and correct lower. Now, we are trading at 50 on the RSI, gives us plenty of room to reject lower. We probably are going to head lower. Bitcoin is showing that same thing. We're literally teeter-tottering on the moving average. We're teeter-tottering on the MACD. Everything is showing signs of a big, massive volume coming to the market, but more so it's showing signs that the market is probably going to break bearish. Check this out. For those of you that want to invest into Ethereum, here might be a bigger opportunity. We're seeing a bearish cross on the moving average, flatlined at 40, I'd say 43 on the RSI. Not only that, we are going to have a bearish cross on the MACD. All these signs prove bearish. What does that mean for us? That means we have to get ready to buy and short the market because it's definitely coming for XRP and these cryptos. Not only can you short XRP, but you can actually short Ethereum and Bitcoin. And if you really want to, you can even short the NASDAQ 100, which means that it's pretty much tied in with the S&P 500. So if we see a move, we're going to see all these cryptos and markets affected. So get ready to be buying in. I use Bityard specifically. I've been using this for a very long time. They sponsored a few videos in the past, and then I've fallen to love the way Bityard trades, so I've been using this ever since. So it's not sponsored. This is actually my opinion, and I love it. I love how easy it is. I love how easy of use it is. I love that you can create stop losses and buy and longs. I love that you can trade and, leverage it, which is incredible. And the amount of cryptocurrency that you guys can play around with is incredible. So the fact that XRP is on here, the fact that we are almost certain we're going to see a bearish cross, the fact that Ethereum is showing signs of rejection and a big drop in price, this is almost guaranteeing us a rejection in price. All we need to see is a confirmation and a close in today or tomorrow's candle below this moving average right here. And then there's a very big chance we're going to go straight down. Obviously, definitely make sure to check out Bityard. I did link it in the description down below. There's two ways of feel for this. I highly recommend that you fund your account prior to the run. It makes no sense to be waiting because you might wait too long and then miss out on a major opportunity to make a big ton of money, a big load of money. Now, I am putting everything on my Patreon, so if you're interested in learning my specific trades, I did link that in the description down below. But I do believe we're going to reverse downwards very quickly, and obviously you can sign up, create an account, link in the description, up to $50 of free sign-up bonus. But you can trade around with here real time and make a big amount of money shorting XRP. And if you guys are a little too, cautious and you don't want to play around with your money just yet, they offer a demo account, which is also incredible because not many exchanges offer this, where you can play around with $100,000 of USDT, put it in anything you want, and play around with that. Test your skills, test your knowledge, see if what you're doing is going to actually profit. If you can make, I'd say, a good 5 solid trades consecutively in a bear market or a bull market and capitalize off the movement on the demo account, then I think you have the skills and what it takes to trade live on here. So definitely make sure to check it out. I did link everything in the description down below. I do believe XRP and the rest of the market are going to head down. I'm pumped to see that the S&P 500 is going to break down as well. So definitely make sure to, get interested in that. I am invested in the Roth. I have a Roth IRA. We've discussed this in the past. And basically what that means is I've sold out. I actually sold right here, right at the tip at 35. I didn't sell all the way up here. I've made about $1,600 in profit investing into the Roth IRA, which is incredible. $1,600 doing absolutely nothing, capitalizing off the run in price. And now I am very, very, very strong believer in the fact that we're going to correct lower, and I'll buy in at a lower price. But when that does happen, we can obviously short the NASDAQ 100 too. So that's pretty much going to wrap up today's video, guys. If you're new to the channel, definitely make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a giant thumbs up. Let me know about the background. What do you think? I'm probably going to put some LED lights, some RGB lights behind me, maybe put a nice neon sign right over here. Pretty much trying to figure it out. I might say hustle or maybe a Bitcoin sign. I don't want to be too generic, but definitely let me know what you think, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.